So guys, the last video, we ended with me topping up my account through the Binance system, that is with cryptocurrencies. And this cryptocurrency, specifically Ether, was automatically exchanged here in the system for US dollars. So I withdrew an amount of $260, which is like Ether, equivalent to $260. And here it, with a certain commission, was credited to my trading account, which took about 10 minutes, most of which was waiting time, until this money was credited to my trading account. Next, what we need to do next is to download the platform for Windows, if you have Windows. There is also a platform for mobile phones, but it is not suitable. Also, the platform for Windows works for and on Apple systems. But right now we are interested in Windows, because I at least have Windows, and we need the MT4 platform. Take MT4. We install this platform on the computer. The installation is in progress. Now the MQL community site will open. I do not recommend registering there. It's more like there's a lot of scams and pain, many attractive, but very deceptive offers. So this site, we leave it. We enter the WellTrade platform, which just opened. Do we have an account? That is the account, the real account we move to next. The next button, and here we select an option. Existing trading account is a trading account. When we opened this center account, now we need to enter the login and password here. The login and password that our broker sent after opening this account. Here I am entering the login. The login is the account number. Here it is. Numbers, just numbers. The password for this login. And we connect it to the server. The broker received a message. There is a welcome from the system. Okay. Now we go to the balance section. And here we have 25,763. If you remember, I topped up the account with $257.63. But this is a cent account, where this account size is indicated in cents. I open this cent account here on the platform, and we see that there are 25,763 cents. But the expert advisor, that is, the trading bot we use, perceives this account as $25,000. And it operates with them as if they were $25,000. And it is much easier for the trading bot to trade on larger account sizes than on smaller ones. For example, if I had topped up the account with $250, it would have been much more difficult for it to do so. So, all right. I hope you got the point. Everything here is indicated in cents, while in my account, everything is indicated in dollars. So it's easier for the robot to trade on a cent account because it seems like the deposit size is larger here. Although that's actually not the case, because everything is simply indicated in cents here. And in terms of profitability, it's the same. If the bot, the trading robot, gives you a profitability, let's say, of 10%. On the size of your deposit, then 10% of $100 or 10% of $10,000, just like 10% of this amount or 10% of that amount, it will be the same amount. Therefore, there is absolutely no difference, but it's easier for the trading bot. We have a larger amount. The trading bot considers the amount larger, and it operates better. Thus, now we will set up the trading bot that... Which one are we talking about? So what needs to be done to install the trading bot on the MetaTrader 4 platform? For this, we go to the top. This is the MetaTrader platform menu. we take the File menu. And in the drop-down menu, we select the item. Open data folder. Open it. The internal directory of the MT4 platform opens. This directory is located on the C drive. This is your platform's folder. We open the MQL4 art folder. Here we find the experts folder. We open it as well, and we end up inside the folder where the trading bot needs to be dragged. That we sent to you. Here is the folder with the trading bot. It's called Piggy Bank. We drag it into this folder in experts. And you can close these folders. After this, we go, if these tabs are closed for you, you need to open the navigator tab, open this tab, find expert advisors here, and right-click on these experts, and select the refresh option from the drop-down menu. We now have the option to select the piggy bank expert in the menu. So, we need to drag this expert onto the quote chart for trading. This expert, as I mentioned in the previous video, works on the asset pound against the US dollar. To select this asset, you need to go to the tab here, Market Watch, click on the tab, and here we find the asset. Pound against the US dollar. These windows are active. They can be transformed, meaning you can expand, reduce, close, or open them. As I mentioned, Market Watch opens the asset selection, and the Navigator tab opens the option to select an expert. So, we find the pound USD here. These windows can be closed so they don't get in our way. We close this one, and close this one. That's it, we have a clean screen without quote windows. We take this pound USD, right-click, and select chart window. And here we open the currency pair, pound against the US dollar. Next, what do we need to do? We need to reduce the time frame to M15. That is to say, M15 means that these price bars, or, for example, we will do, here are the candles, let's select them. A new candle appears every 15 minutes. For example, if it's H1, a new candle appears once every hour. We need to switch to 50 minutes. Right here, M50. Next, we need to activate the auto trading function. Here is auto trading. Click on this button and we have a green function lights up, indicating it is active. You see, auto trading activity is displayed. Next, we'll reduce the chart to the minimum zoom. Here with the magnifying glass, this one with the minimum. We get a chart of quotes like this on it. We drag the trading bot onto this chart of quotes. Here it is. And go to the comment tab. Here, the allow live trading function should be trading is activated. That is, it should be enabled. Then go to the inputs tab. And here we need to specify the size of the trading lot. For example, if you have a deposit, I mentioned that the minimum trading deposit size is 10 is 100 US dollars. That is $100. If we top up a cent account, it will be 10,000 units. For 10,000 units, we can choose if, for example, here we already have more than 20,000 units. Well, 20,000 units and more, then you can set, for example, here 0.2. Yes, we changed it. Click on OK. And our trading bot goes into standby mode. Oh, about the wind. It started trading. This size is already set, and what our bot does, it analyzed this price chart for us and found an opportunity for trading. It saw that, yes, for example, the price chart is turning slightly downwards. We have such a slowdown. It saw a downward trend here. It made a sell trade, added another sell trade to continue adding in the direction of the trend. So we have a sell limit. If there is a pullback, it will activate. And again, we will go down. In short, look, this bot, in order to properly manage capital, it uses several trades. And for this, we need a large trading account size with a good trading credit. Indeed, thus we can, for example, starting from $100 do this without any problems to operate the trading bot on our trading account. I promised that this course would be interesting, including for those who have little money for trading. So if you have $100, you can use this trading bot on your own without any problems on a $100 account. But with the help of a well-trade cent account, you turn those $100 into $10,000. But I turned my $257.63 into this amount. Although, of course, if I get, let's say, 10% of my deposit profit, if I get 10%, then it will be only from 257. That will be $25.70. But if I have 100% profit, then I will simply double my capital. And it doesn't matter. Even if I have 25,000, here I will double it. I will have 50,000 in cent terms. Or I will double $250. I will have $500, but already in dollar terms. Either way, I will have the same amount in dollars. But the display is different, right? So you understand the meaning of a cent account? So I installed a trading bot on my account. On my platform, which I downloaded in front of you, activated, and I topped up the trading account in front of you. Here I have, as I open the quote history, so far you can only see the transaction showing that I topped up this trading account today. And in a day or two, well, when the first results start coming in, I think maybe even today they will start, I will see them. The first results, I will already be activating, well, sort of recording an additional video, the next one about what results I'm getting. In this way, you will be able to sort of see how the trading robot operates specifically on the platform. That is how I am progressing towards my million. I promised that this would be, or rather, I mentioned that this would not be an instant enrichment. Well, there is no way to get rich instantly, but I will tell you and show you how to ensure that over time you become a millionaire. This is a very stable trading bot. It literally closes with a profit every month. And you just need to wait and maintain it. That is, you need to ensure that you have an active platform. And for this, you need to use a VPS, which is a remote desktop. I will show you how to install this platform on a remote desktop. Basically, it's like a simulation of Windows, but it's located in cloud storage. And in this way, you will maintain this platform so that it is always active. You can install this platform on your computer, like I did now, today, or rather, and so that this platform remains constantly active. But for instance, when choosing between a constantly active platform, your computer must be on all the time to keep the platform from shutting down. And if you have to choose between a constantly running computer and using a VPS, that is a remote desktop, it is better, of course, to choose the remote desktop. Why it's better, I will tell you exactly in the next lesson about why. And now I think that you have received all the necessary information on how to install, how to use, what needs to be done. So our robot is trading in automatic mode. There is no profit yet. The quotes are moving. Here they are, for example. Right now, there is a sell trade here, meaning we are selling the pound against the USD. For this, the quotes need to drop a little, lower, and the bot will record the first profit because we are trading on the price difference of the asset. And currently, According to the trading decision made by the bot, the asset price should decrease and it will be recorded. We will record a profit when the asset price drops a little, let's say to a certain level. When it decreases, the bot will analyze the price chart again, look at the trends, see where the price is heading, and then make another trade, and so on indefinitely, until we become millionaires. So, see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.